Chef Carlton here, guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. If you're new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, returning viewer, thank you and always appreciate the support. Today's Mother's Day. I just finished drinking 2 cold beers, so I'm gonna cook my mom a nice and tasty dish. So if you want to stick with me, I can walk you guys through this one. Real simple. Alright guys, I'm gonna be making some rice and peas. I'm gonna do a veggie, nice slaw. I gotta do some buttermilk fried chicken, and then we'll make a gravy. All right, so I'm gonna get started, guys. This one I'm gonna be a lot of cooking, so I'm not gonna be that in details to each and every ingredient, but I'll give you guys a full rundown of what's going on. So let's start with making our rice and beans. All right guys, we're gonna start by making the rice. So this is how I make mine. Make sure you do yours different. Nobody's one, everybody got their own way of doing stuff, right? All right, garlic and some onions. I just like to make those get a little sauteed before anything else. Keep my fire on medium. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some peas. I like a lot of peas, guys. I'm gonna add my rice. Gonna come together, guys. Just watch this. Go ahead and get a quick mix then. Alright, I'll add some coconut milk. Everybody good mixed in. It's gonna come together, guys. Some scallion, add some thyme, alright, add some salt, add half more stick of butter, quick mix, then we're going to add some water. Turn it down and let that simmer for a minute. For the chicken, put some salt, pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, mix. Using some chili powder. All right. We'll go ahead now and soak it in some buttermilk. Let that sit in the refrigerator until it's time for it. But that's it for our chicken for now. All right, so in a bowl we're gonna add some flour for the fried chicken, salt, chili powder, guys, we're gonna add some ground cinnamon as a tip. All right, some all-purpose. All-purpose, guys, is complete seasoning. It's onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, all that good stuff. I'm also gonna add a bit of cornstarch. Now we're gonna go in there and mix this up really good. This is what we're going to batter our chicken in and straight to the fryer. All right, so we're gonna get the chicken, shake off Any excess of the buttermilk in the flour. Make sure you get it well covered, as dry as you can, and we want this to be real crispy. I'm going all out today, guys. Mother's Day special. We're just going to repeat this process for each piece of chicken. Once you get them nice and coated, put them to the side, just like that. Alright guys, let's check up on our rice, see where we at, and we're going to give them a quick mix. We don't want the pieces that are on top, and we just keep rotating, incorporate everybody. You can smell the coconut milk, the onion, you can smell all the flavors, the onion, the garlic, everything. Almost there, guys. Alright, I always start by, when I'm doing fried chicken, by adding some garlic to the oil. It's not for necessarily for flavor, but I use garlic to test how hot my oil is. And I use them to judge when the oil needs changing. Alright, so that's good. I'm going to start by adding 2 pieces of chicken at a time in a small pot. And then I'm going to overflow the pot. So we're going to do 2 at a time, guys. We'll let it go for like 2 minutes on each side, give or take, then turn the heat up and a minute on each side again. Alright guys, I'm going to give it a quick turn. Using a deep fryer where they are just submerged in the oil, you don't have to worry about turning them, but different cooking technique, different methods for different styles of cooking. Alright guys, off camera, I only added 2 more pieces, but those first 2, those are ready. We're going to go ahead and get those out. Alright guys, I'm walking through this sauce real quick. So some butter to start. We're going to go ahead and add some, this is the garlic that was frying with the chicken, and onions. And some diced tomatoes. What we're going to do is we're going to saute these until they're like really cooked out. And then we're going to add some, you could add some tomato sauce and some ketchup. You could add some brown sugar, ketchup, vinegar, water. You could add whatever you want to add, but the base is tomatoes. So I'm going to add some traditional tomato sauce and some ketchup. And that will be it. I'll come back when I'm ready for those. We're going to go and add some tomato sauce. Not a lot, just a little bit. Add some ketchup. A little bit of salt. A half a cup of water. Mix it out real good. It's gonna be our sauce, guys. Reduce. Guys, so our rice and peas is ready. Our sauce is ready. Our fried chicken is ready. And our veggies is ready. So let's go ahead and plate up. Alright, guys.